Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate ice cream. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and cocoa powder. Also, ensure your ice cream maker is ready to go. Don't forget to gently melt about 4 ounces of your favorite dark chocolate, setting it aside to cool slightly. Next, let's prepare the base. In a saucepan, whisk together 1 cup of sugar with 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Slowly pour in 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it's warm and the sugar has fully dissolved. Be careful not to boil it. Now for the fun part. Make sure your ice cream base is thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours or overnight. Pour the cold base into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. During the last 5 minutes of churning, slowly drizzle in your cooled melted chocolate, allowing it to fully incorporate. Once churning is complete, your ice cream will be soft-serve consistency. Transfer it to an airtight container and place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness. When ready, scoop and enjoy your rich, homemade chocolate ice cream. It's perfect on its own or with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.